Hi, it's Dina. I wanted to make a quick video with my TAPS collage stamp from Impression Obsession. This is a great image in a solid color, but it's fun to layer as well. I started by stamping in a hybrid ink, and I'm going to do the first image on Neenah cardstock, and then stamp again without re-inking on watercolor paper. And I want a waterproof ink for this first impression because I want the detailed stamped image as my base. For my second layer of stamping, I'm using dye inks so that I can mist them for a faux watercolor look. And as I ink, I'm just following the curves on the flag to create a blue field at the top and a red field at the bottom. Then I'll give the stamp a couple of mists of water and stamp onto the watercolor paper right over my first impression. So here's the finished card. I added the sentiment and die cut a few stars out of the panel that show a little foiled area underneath. I still had enough activated ink on my stamp to do a second print, so I stamped over my first stamped image on cardstock, and that gives a more crisp image and darker impression. So here are both of those panels together. It's very simple, and I ended up with two completely different looks here. For this card, I trimmed down my panel and centered it on a navy card base with the same sentiment. You can find all my stamps at Impression Obsession under Dina Kowal Creative.